folks. We got a fun exercise today called the knee dance. You might have seen this one on our Instagram challenge, our free challenges. We gave you a couple of the levels. Now we're going to give you the last one. So let's bring it. Here we go. Starting in the center of the line, we come down into double knee exposure. So progression 1, as in Instagram shows, we're going to put the weight into this knee, lift this foot, and come to a straight leg on the other side. It's kind of like a gate pose. Really trying to go for straight leg, toes facing forward. And then you're going to come back. Shifting the weight into this side, doing the same thing on the other. Having a drishti point will help, breathing, and then bring it back. A little prep or warm up, as we've done in other videos if you need, just feeling what it's like to shift the weight, lift the knee, come back. It can be a really subtle lift, but it just gives you the idea of what it's like. Once you get comfortable with that, you'll realize it doesn't take much more just to bring that foot up. All right, going back and forth, doing that about 5 times on each side to get you warmed up. And then we'll move on to progression 2. Of course, always take a break as you need. Let your knees rest in between these exercises. But progression 2, shifting the weight, arms are out for balance, bringing the foot here, and then we're going to bring this foot, wrap it around the knee. Finding balance and holding this position for a moment. Okay, that's why this is a low line exercise. Grab the ground if you need to for stability, and then bring it back to straight leg, back to double knee. So low line exercise brings us closer to the ground, keeps us safe. If you're good and feel comfortable in your skill set, you can always take the slack line a little higher. So working the other side, put the weight here, brought the foot out. I'm going to cross the leg over. Find stability. Notice I grabbed the line there to help me a little bit. It's okay. Back to straight leg. Back to double knee. So a little assist as I did there, to little elaborate on that a little bit. You can use the line here anytime for assistance if you feel you really need it to train. It's just a little demo of using that line assist all the way through, just to give you an example of what that looks like if you need to. The goal is to use that if you need to, but train out of that so you don't need it. All right, so progression 2 is going from double knee to gate across on both sides, doing that about 5 times, warming up the body, taking a break as necessary. For progression 3, what you've been waiting for, starting from here, we're going to shift the weight. Take this foot that's light, bring it all the way up and cross over, skipping gate all together. Finding stability there. I place this foot right in the center, right in the middle of the arch. Find my drishti, come back. Ooh, whoa, there it is. All right, practicing that on both sides. Shifting the weight, something to look at. Really got to lift this knee up and use my hip joint here to really get it lifted up as well. Taking the knee out to the side, bringing the foot around front. I like to lift my toes and curl my toes up in this position. It helps me find balance. Maybe it'll work for you too. Coming back, boom. All right, that's progression 3, the knee dance. Play with that, have fun. Send us any questions you might have, slackrobats.com, slackrobats@gmail.com. Boom, peace.